Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Windows Security. Search, start, and launch it. Once done, make sure you're signed into an administrator account because clearing history can require elevated permissions. Now go straight to Virus and Threat Protection on the left pane and click it to reveal the Protection History link beneath Current Threats. This gets you to the Records list. You need this view to inspect entries or remove them, so don't skip verifying your account level first. Once you're viewing protection history, use the filter drop-down to narrow results by time, severity, or type so you can find what to delete quickly. Now select items, click the checkbox next to each event or use Select All for a page, and review the Details panel for each entry so you understand why it was logged. Make sure to keep any entries you might need for diagnostics. Once removed, restoring them is not straightforward. Proceed only when you're sure. To finish, click Delete or Clear for the selected protection history items and confirm the prompt. After deletion, make sure to refresh the app or restart the PC so the security UI updates and shows the cleared list. If the action fails, run Windows Security as administrator and try again. Alternatively, you can use PowerShell cmdlets to query and remove events if the GUI blocks changes. One tip: if items reappear, check for ongoing threats. Address the threat first before clearing history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.